Is your Android phone feeling super slow, laggy, or just glitchy all the time? Yeah, that can be really frustrating. But the good news is you can fix most of these issues pretty quickly. So the first thing you want to do is simply restart your phone. I know it sounds basic, but restarting actually clears a lot of background processes and refreshes your system. Once your phone turns back on, use it for a bit and see if it feels smoother. Now, if it's still lagging, there's a good chance some apps are running in the background and slowing everything down. What you can do is go into your settings, open your apps list, and check the apps that usually consume a lot of memory, like social media apps or games. When you find them, you can stop them from running in the background, which helps free up your phone's RAM. Another thing to keep in mind is if the problem started recently, it might be because of an app you installed. Some apps are not well optimized and can make your phone slow. If you notice the lag started after installing something, try removing that app and see if it makes a difference. Also, if you keep a lot of apps open all the time, your phone can struggle to keep up. Clearing your recent apps once in a while can help your phone run a bit smoother. Now, something a lot of people forget is updating their phone. Software updates are really important because they fix bugs and improve performance. So just check if there's an update available and install it if there is. And finally, if your phone is still lagging after all this, then it could be because the device is just too old to handle newer apps and updates. In that case, you can try resetting your phone completely. Just make sure to back up your data first, or consider upgrading to a newer device. That's pretty much it. If this helped you, drop a comment saying "fast now," and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips.